In today's video, I'm going to show you how to export your backlog, issues, or tickets to Excel in Jira, step by step. This is extremely useful if you want to create reports, share data with stakeholders, track progress offline, or simply analyze your Jira tickets in Excel. Whether you're a project manager, scrum master, or developer, this method works smoothly and doesn't require any third-party plugins. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Jira and software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to Jira. Log in using your Atlassian account that has access to the project you want to export data from. Once you're logged in, make sure you're inside the correct Jira project where your backlog or issues are located. Next, click on Board from the left-hand navigation menu. This will open your Scrum or Kanban board, depending on how your project is set up. From here, you'll be able to see all the issues, tasks, bugs, and tickets associated with that board. Now select the task or issue that you want to export. You can click on a single issue if you only need one ticket, or you can work from the backlog or board view if you want to export multiple issues. Jira will automatically highlight the selected issue and open its details panel. After selecting the issue, look for the Actions option. This is usually represented by 3 dots or an Actions menu near the issue details. Click on Actions to open additional options related to exporting and managing the issue. From the Actions menu, click on Export Excel. This option allows you to download the selected issue or a list of issues directly into an Excel file. This is one of the fastest built-in ways to get Jira data into a spreadsheet format. Once you click Export Excel, Jira will prompt you to choose what information you want to include. Here, you can select specific fields such as issue key, summary, status, assignee, priority, and more. If you want more detailed tracking, you can also include history to capture changes made to the issue over time. Choose the fields that are relevant for your reporting or analysis. After selecting the Fields and History options, click on Export. Jira will now generate the Excel file and download it to your computer. Depending on the number of issues and fields selected, this may take a few seconds. Once the download is complete, open the Excel file to review your data. You'll see each issue neatly organized into rows and columns, making it easy to filter, sort, and analyze your backlog or tickets. You can now share this file with your team, management, or clients, or use it for custom reports and planning. And that's it. You've successfully exported your Jira backlog, issues, or tickets to Excel in just a few simple steps. This method saves a lot of time and helps you work more efficiently with Jira data outside the platform. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Jira tutorials, productivity tips, and software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.